So right now, you're underneath my hair, see?
Yep.
I combed it all, and it is combed over, no knots. And you are going to watch me cut it. See, combing it over. Get what I'm doing? Let's see. You see what I'm doing here? You're underneath with me right now. Okay? So, in a minute, we're going to cut it. And you're going to see how great it's going to look.
Yep.
Wow, is the timer going?
Yes.
Hi. I'm about to cut my hair. We got a lot of dead ends here, so we're getting rid of these. And then we're going to dye it. So I'll show you. This is what we're going to do. Like this. Put it all together. Okay.
Oh my God. Use better scissors.
Yep. Note yourself. Don't use these scissors.
It's all crooked.
It's okay.
It's all crooked.
It's okay.
Actually, it's not. Yeah.
Watch. Just watch. Just flip over with a little ponytail. Get your little ends. See, you got this.
Oh yeah, way off.
Okay. Put this in here. And get the rest. Doesn't really matter when you put your hair in a bun all the time.
So it's like Martin Simpson, if her hair
Right.
was blue.
So now, check. Double check. Got some loose ones here. Double check. Everything back to where it needs to be. Especially if you don't want to know, it doesn't matter how, you know, you don't want an exact length. Okay. We'll get this back to even.
Can't see what you're doing because of your hands.
Oh, sorry. Getting this back to even. Doesn't matter because watch. It's gonna be all layered. Watch. Look. It's all layered. Pretty. Alright. Now I'm gonna dye it. And we'll see what happens. Thank you. We'll see you in a minute. Pause it. Now we are dyeing the roots. Obviously, gotta get all in here because these are lots of grays, right? So we gotta get in this. So we got this part going for me. Okay, got the cut, got everything going. We'll see what happens here. All right, so we're dyeing it. Yay! See me? Haha. We're dyeing it. We're doing it. Anyway, I'll be back. Now we have the dye in. It's gonna be, you know, it's all in there. Alright. I'll be back. Okay. Now we wait. Now we wait. Alright, so I'm out of the shower. Hair is all nice and not knotty. Looks nice. Looks like I got my roots okay. Well, you know, directions weren't the best, and you know, and whatever. But anyway, we will see about the cut tomorrow. Because I'm going to, if I can blow it out, it's going to look amazing. And that's how I cut my hair with the comb over. But anyway, I'll show you the back. It looks good. Sure, it looks good. It always does. I usually do this over the dumpster. See? You see it a little bit? Anyway, it's all layered and everything. So, alright, well, have a good night. Thank you.